which kind carelessness? This one out of carelessness. Eh?
Yes.
Waiting they shoot for liver, waiting for liver Niger, waiting they shoot. They don't see all this in La Liver go shoot 20 they want shoot.
They were not even shooting on top of the river. They did turn, they go, you blast they cross, they travel the other side. You get now these boat guys them now, all these boat guys with their crews, when they want bend you, they want give you cruise. You when they at the boat, you no give them this thing. Those crews, all those crews.
I yesterday that two boats just crashed.
Yes, now cruise they do cruise, two boats come crash.
Hi God.
What is it? Take care. Impress.
Nollywood, we they take you see this Nollywood, they need the government need look into that because many people just they die for nothing. People just they die for nothing for this our Nollywood. People just they die for nothing for useless death.
I don't try you one way.
No management in Nollywood, nothing. Everybody just they do competition and make them produce the highest movie. Blockbuster, this one nonsense.
That guy will die now. Now me they do the video now. You don't die. I don't confirm. Yes.
Huh? Ogolo 2 he problem put for himself. Which kind of movie?
This thing now they're very simple because the flying boats they don't get safeguard. They don't get that thing. You have to go and rent it from another person. It's a business that place.
And those people when they do this business now, they don't get jumpers like people. All these people when they say if person don't they go jump inside water saver. Which kind of
negligence. All those things na cruise they do, na boat cruise. They just crossing over. They are just
when they still leave Junior Pope for hospital, when they still leave him. Maybe still they fight for his spiritual. He still they fight for his spiritual. Maybe they still leave him for hospital. Maybe they never carry and go anywhere. See tomorrow, maybe we know.
Yeah, I don't they go my house. My brothers did and wife did.
Hi, Chineke see big problem and person they see in death person they see, we they see our death so now carelessness.
This guy see there for underwater. This guy was still under the water. They call him wife make him come see husband them drown for water.
He's supposed now our Nollywood people now nonsense people
the wife they bring the husband from underwater. She shout. She shout. For that place, I felt for her. I said, who called this woman for this place? Even the mother-in-law today there.
Hi God.
You get who does that? From there, I thought they were taking.
Chineke God, why now? Why Junior Pope do this kind of mistake? You know, Sabi swim superstar like how much they pay and where you go agree is hey, don't be saying just ordinary river. Don't be all these ordinary river where they for a where they shoot movie. This one now see. I go call and see now. Now see be that thing now. Eh?
Those people will remain now. Tomorrow now we'll go look for them. They give us time. They give us. Did you know say that naval? We have naval officer. They divers. People will help us bring down these people out.
People will jump inside water.
2-3 crew members. Still get one small boy, precious.
I see I'm not. Young promising
boy.
Guy.
Young promising boy.
Huh? Which kind careless death? This one out of carelessness. Huh?
Yes.
Waiting they shoot for liver, waiting for liver Niger, waiting they shoot.